Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Rock Hunter is coming into the river. Friends, today I must show you the beautiful things on the river. Again, ayong 다종 또보 다종도 말리바 사요디 say quang. What a beautiful waterfall and what a beautiful red yellow sea on the wall. Wow, what a beautiful rock. See. Wow, river have a beautiful things. I don't know. The more see. This rock also a beautiful. Even long yet the more see. See. What a beautiful nature. Quang. And also beautiful stone on the river. Long the water on the Malay, I don't know. See. Quang. Quang. Lit hunt. Quang lit hunt. The beautiful things on the river. See. Beautiful nature. River is rich. Ayongji Takara. See. See. Whole river is rich. See. Wow. Wow. This is a white rock. Beautiful rock. Wow. I'm very tired, friends. And it's getting late. Okay. I must go to home. And the next video we will meet. Okay, friends. Bye-bye.